Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting the surrounding finish and confirming compatibility. Put on gloves, wipe the area with a damp microfiber to remove dirt, then tape a margin around the mark. Apply a small dab of solvent, 90% isopropyl or a citrus adhesive remover, to a cotton swab and hold for 10-15 seconds. This tests adhesion and clearcoat reaction. If no softening, wait and blot. Once the paint edges loosen slightly, stop testing and prepare your plastic razor, and once the solvent shows effect, work systematically in 1 to 2 inch sections so you control the process. Reapply solvent sparingly and let it soak a few seconds. Then use a plastic razor at a low angle to gently lift the line paint. Think peeling, not scraping. Frequently wipe the loosened paint with a clean microfiber and a bit of solvent to prevent dragging pigment over the clearcoat. If resistance increases, pause and reapply solvent. Patience reduces the risk of clearcoat damage. After removing most paint, thoroughly clean the area with automotive soap and water to remove solvent residue. If light staining remains, use a clay bar or a mild polish with a foam pad to restore smoothness. This removes embedded particles and minor haze. Once satisfied, apply wax or sealant to protect the repaired spot. If you notice dulling, fine scratches, or clearcoat removal, stop and seek professional paint correction. Trying stronger abrasives at home can worsen the finish and increase repair costs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.